Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel with me, Monique. For today's video, we are going to do a review of my Chanel reissue. This is in the size 226. So if you enjoy this kind of content and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to take the time and subscribe to my channel. Okay, today's video, it's all about this Chanel reissue. Mine is in the color 226. It's in the color red. I think there's a little bit of an orange tint to this red, so it's not like a blue red, it's more like a tomato red, and it is in the gold hardware. I'm sure most of you know that the reissue is actually the bag that was created by Coco Chanel in February of 1955, hence the name 255, referring to the date that it was first created. And then it got discontinued along the way, and in 2005 Karl Lagerfeld decided to release this bag again for the 50-year anniversary of the bag. According to the story, he saw this bag somewhere in storage, and he found the bag to be flat and the leather was distressed due to age. So when he relaunched the bag, he decided to treat the leather the way he found it. So he distressed the leather, I think it's calf skin, and also made it a little bit flat. As you can see, mine is not flat anymore, but if you purchase the 255 from the store, it would be flat, somewhat like that, in that shape, so it's like closer to the body. Mine came like this when I purchased this. This was purchased pre-loved in November 2017 from Rebag. That was my first and only time buying from Rebag. Yeah, so it was purchased from there and it came like this already. Some people, I get it, they don't like this shape, they like to flatten it, but actually in order to get that shape, they have to go through another step in the process of the making of the bag. It's something that they do on purpose. It's not like it's flattened because something heavy fell on it, but it is something they do on purpose. This is not my first reissue. I've had the 227 earlier. It was in the color bronze. I decided to sell it because I wasn't really actually in love with the bag. I decided to sell it when I had to fund for another bag. This one is in 226. So let's measure the 226. So the length is 11 inches and the height is approximately 7.5 inches, and the width is 3 inches at the widest part. The chain is the Mademoiselle chain, so it's not the one with the leather. Okay. For being a chain strap, this is actually very comfortable on the shoulder. It doesn't fall off your shoulder and it doesn't hurt, and my hair doesn't get stuck on it, because sometimes my hair does get stuck in some chain straps of other bags. The turn lock looks like this. It says Chanel below across. I don't know if you can see that. Let me show you close up of the condition. This bag is in the 14 series, which means it was made in 2009 or 2010. So being a 10-year-old bag, the condition is pretty good. Okay, the strap drop is around 10.5 inches at the shortest, and the longest, you can do this way. Let's see. And around 19 inches on the longest strap. To open, you just go like that. It is double flap. The lining is also in the same color. It also has the zipper compartment for your love letter. The only wear I can see is on this part. The inside looks exactly like the classic flap, because of course the classic flap was inspired by this. I stuffed mine with tissue paper. Mine is made in Italy. So just looks like that on the inside. In terms of size, this is definitely bigger than the medium classic flap, but it's smaller than the jumbo, so it's in between those two. Now I'm going to show you what could fit in this bag. I have a few items with me to show. I'm using my Zoe compact wallet from Louis Vuitton. If you want to use your full-size wallet, it would also fit perfectly. I have the Emily here just to show you. It fits nicely and still so much room. This bag definitely fits a lot more than the medium classic flap, but I don't really carry a lot of stuff with me anyway on the daily, so let's just try to fit this one. And I have my phone. Some people fit their phone in the back like so. I never do this because it might, you know, fall easily, and also it would stretch the pocket. Sometimes I would put it here, but not on my medium, but on the 226 it would fit perfectly. Then I have my sunglasses. And my catch-all, my favorite catch-all, the mini pochette accessoire. I have my, as usual, I have my compact, a lipstick, some hand cream, and a small perfume sample. Also, let's put this headband as well because you always need one. Actually, when I carry my 226 or my medium classic flap, I don't really carry this because it takes a lot of space. I just want to show you that it would fit here. Also, it's like a small bag. You don't need to have a catch-all, in my opinion. Okay, so it fits nicely next to my wallet. Next, I have my keys in this key clay, and of course a sanitizer. There you go. Let's try to close this thing. Okay, it would take some effort to close, but it closed nicely. It is heavy now just from all of those stuff, but it does fit. And let's see, if you don't want to carry your catch-all, let's take out the mini pochette and just carry the items inside. And let's say you are a person that needs to carry your agenda or a notebook with you all the time. It would fit for sure. Let me take out this first. Okay. So now you have your agenda, your keys, and your wallet here. They fit nicely. Now I'm just gonna put this in one of the pockets here. This lipstick is never going to fit into that tiny lipstick compartment in the middle. I guess lipstick used to be very small back in the day, but I'll just put it somewhere in there. I need my compact powder, your hand cream, sanitizer, and your mini perfume in the back pocket. There you go. It looks like that, but we still need the sunglasses. I don't know if it will fit. Sunglasses are not going to fit if you have to carry your agenda. You're just gonna have to wear your sunglasses. But this is what we have so far. Still some room for little things you have, but nothing too bulky. Also, I don't like when my bag is getting heavy anyway. Closes nicely. I don't usually carry this as a crossbody bag, maybe sometimes, but I like to carry it as a shoulder bag, like so. It's like a nice length. It's slightly longer as a shoulder bag. In terms of length, it's slightly longer than the classic flap, so it's nice as a shoulder bag. Okay, I think that's all my review for today for my Chanel Reissue in the color 226, and I'll be sure to do more reviews on my other bags in the future. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.